I know a lot of people want to get Discord Nitro, but they can't pay $10 for it. So Discord has announced free Nitro for everyone. I make videos on YouTube about Discord Nitro. In the past, I have mentioned countless ways to help people get Nitro. Subscribe so that you can get Nitro. I also give free Nitro if you join my server and stay in it for 14 days. The link of my Discord server is in description. When your 14 days are done, send me a message. So, as I said, Discord made Nitro free for one day. In order to get Discord Nitro from this offer, open Discord on your computer or laptop. I don't think this method works with mobile phones, so you will need a PC. Once you have your Discord open, click on this Discover button. After you're on this page, now click on this Quest button, and now you should see this offer from Discord. Hold up. Do you want to get Server Boost for almost 95% off? Not only Server Boosts, my website also sells Nitro. You can get 14 one-month Server Boost for as low as $6. This will give your server level 3. This is my store, so I give 100% guarantee about this to work. I also have people vouching in my server, so what are you thinking about? Buy Server Boosts and Nitro for the cheapest rates. In this offer, Discord will give you Nitro if you watch the GTA 6. Now start watching the trailer on Discord, and it is about 3 minutes long, and once you are done, you can see that Discord will give you Nitro. Unfortunately, though, this Nitro offer of Discord will only last for one day and not more. What you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can get updated every time Discord offers free Nitro.